Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery.
Student, you know we have done so many numbers. Anyone tell me the last number? We did the number 15. प्यारे बच्चों, नंबर 15 के बाद क्या आता है? Can you recall that? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Yes, very good. So today we will learn about number 16. And you know we have started the 2 digits number and 16 number is also 2 digits number. So let's see the page number 28. This is number 16. So let's trace with finger. Number 1 and then number 6. It's make a number 16. Now look this picture. We see 16 pencils. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So we have 16 pencils.